once again, it has begun. I say that often, but there's always these little steps, parts, and pieces to everything. So this is for the septic. We're gonna have 3 runs of, I guess, 65 feet. So I was really worried about, if we're gonna be 18 inches elevated, I was really worried about having a big mound, and the way it falls off here, nice. I think it's just gonna be nice and smooth. So not as bad as what I initially was thinking. And the old septic right up front of our car, you can kind of see that spot. That's the old system, and I can't hook up to it, and trying to dig it up and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, this is the new spot. How about this? The new septic reserve. I don't know what stone that is, but they say it comes from Pennsylvania. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. Here's where the county came and did a quick test bore. They were thinking we could have went like 4 to 5 feet deep, but there was a layer of clay, so it's going to be 8 feet deep. But not as bad as what I was thinking, honestly. So, all right, let's go check out our corn and sunflowers. See how they're doing. Beautiful day. It truly is a beautiful day. Feels good to be alive. It's a warm one, man. 94 degrees. But check this out. There's load number 3. So they're going to build the mound first, and then dig the 3 trenches where the flags are. They're in the backside there too. So, and then that little flag right there is where the septic sand is going to go. Excuse me. So, ooh, all right. I got to get back to this. See what I can get done. Actually, I feel a little bit better about it. And I just watched the video on YouTube, so thinking here we are. Special sand for the septic system. And yes, Karen, where the orange flags are, that's exactly where it's going to be. So. I think there's been 4 trucks so far this morning. There's one going down the back. Love, I missed this today, but maybe just as well. I didn't, you know what? I guess I was just numb to the cameras, but thankfully, Mark, our neighbor, said, hey, you didn't know Septic guys were here today, so.
Oh, I thought you just happened to look at that.
No, hell no. He texted saying, hey, just giving you a heads up.
Oh,
so
thank you, Mark.
Yeah, I did thank him for it. So things are still moving along. I think that I know. It's 3 lines. The trenches are 8 feet deep, and the 3 lines are 65 feet long. So might be a slight bit taller than what I was thinking. I was thinking it was going to kind of be the same level. There was a pretty good fall off there. But like you just said, Love, it's not 100% done yet, right? No, so we'll see how it all gets graded out. But you know what? If for nothing else, it's fucking progress, right?
It's progress.
Jesus Lord.
That's what I'm happy about.
Yeah. The dogs want to come out and see what's what too. So, and then we what?
There's all kinds of feathers here.
What is that?
The dog poo.
I wonder if something ate a chicken.
Yeah, look at that.
Are those wood ducks or chickens?
Oh, you're the expert there.
That's not dog poo, though. That's not dog poo.
Well, you know.
It's fox.
In the family.
Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. That's crazy.
Oh, wow.
The cameras didn't pick it up. All right, I digress, but you know, you're good. But it's happening. This is a little high, too. We'll get it.
That's low. One on the other.
Yeah, well, this is a little high. Truly it is. This is from the old mound, but hopefully get a good word from Chris this week. So, man, it's going to be nice living here, isn't it? That's how quiet it is. Actually, even though the state highway there is loud during the day, 100% sure. There goes a car now, but it is quiet here after hours, seems to be, so.
And you can see the stars.
Yeah, we can see the stars. All right, we do appreciate you following along once again. Thank you very much. I have no idea how many days this is. It's a lot. I can look it up, but it is a lot. But progress and progress. Thanks for following along, and as always, thinking of you, we are. I said, I don't know if they work on Saturdays or not. But we do, don't we, Love? No days off for us. But we're checking it out. I'll be honest with you, the mound's a tad bit higher than what I thought. Karen tells me not to worry about it, so I'm not going to worry about it. And for the official site plan, we needed to have the old septic area is way over there. The county wanted to see the new septic area on the site plan, as well as the building has grown since the original stakeout. So yeah, so hey, new Pitboss fleece pants, I am digging them. Karen is right. Rye came up the hill, but she's right. This will be wet come January, February, March. So we just need to get some more dirt in here, but we need to get some grass established. And then once we got the grass established, then we can F around. Plus, we're gonna put the fence, so we got plenty of stuff to do. It is just higher than what I thought. I really thought that this elevation here would have been level with the driveway. I guess it's gonna settle a little bit, but man, not a whole lot. So anyway, I am not gonna stress about it. But